Good morning, everybody. My name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're featuring the 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX. You can see this beautiful color combination on the outside here with the nice white all the way down through the hull with the black boot stripe matching and complementing your black tower. This boat is fully loaded. It's got all the bundles. Come on board, I'll tell you all about it. All right, team, thanks for joining me aboard the 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX. This boat you can see is featured with the nice Dune Interior, which complements that exterior, if you remember, the white with the black stripe there. Now this boat is featured with every bundle that's available through Sea Ray, and we're going to start up here at the bow here with our anchor bundle. We've got our windlass anchoring system with remote, as well as a freshwater wash down here. And the comfort of this is amazing, you know. The luxury that Sea Ray has built into these boats with their armrests, and you've got plenty of room for a whole team to stretch out and really enjoy this boat. Now we've got our table holders here, which is part of our comfort bundle. So you're going to have two teak tables, one at the bow and one in your cockpit area. So whatever you're going to be doing, everybody is going to be comfortable. My number 2 favorite feature of the Sea Ray 260 SLX is this helm storage area. Take a look at that. Let's get a good view of that one. I mean, you've got your 2 teak tables in there. You've got your filler cushions for the bow. Truly amazing area. You can fit anything that you want in there. All right, you can see why that's my number 2. Wait till we see number 1. All right, now we're gonna come through into the cockpit. We've got our walk-through door, which in conjunction with your windshield here is incredible. It's really gonna help out for those colder months, making sure everybody stays comfy and a little toasty if you need it. We've got additional storage here with a nice trash can. Sea Ray's done a fantastic job of incorporating all these creature comforts. Your lockable glove box here, and of course your head compartment. Now this is great because this is magnetized here, so the door is gonna stay open. Just one of those things, you've probably seen it in lesser boats where it's not that way. A little bit of a cumbersome process. Sea Ray's done a great job incorporating the water into your pump out head. Now as we come over to your helm, part of your lighting bundle, you've got light up cup holders as well as throughout the boat. And that's all controllable right here through your Simrad and your CZone technology. We'll go through all of those options when you come in for your test drive. All of your manual buttons. And then over here, you've got your binnacle with push start, as well as active trim, wireless phone charging. Everything is really in the perfect position. So this captain's chair obviously can swivel around, so everybody is part of the action here. But look what they've done here. Just this cup holder is just in the perfect position. Regardless of where the captain's chair is, you've always got something to sip on. Let me turn this back around so we can get a better view. Additional charging there too. Co-captain's chair is going to swivel as well, so everything is all in one area. Huge in-floor storage, and as you can see, it's going to go all the way through, so whether it's skis, tubes, whatever it might be, plenty of room for everything and everybody's essentials. Additional storage. So this is going to go all the way down and all the way to the back of the boat. Incredible. Now in here we've got our anchor or engine compartment. This is going to be the 6.2 liter Mercury, 350 horsepower. Plenty of power to get you anywhere on the lake as fast or at cruising speeds as you like. Another great feature here, storage with additional door. This is perfect for a couple of those soft Yeti coolers. Keep everything in line, nice and cool for you. Now, my number 1 favorite feature of the boat, this power tower. This tower operates so seamlessly, and it's going to come down just over the windshield area. We're going to take a quick look at what this looks like. So the elements are not a factor anymore. You're not going to feel anything. And the kids love it at nighttime with the lights on the inside of the boat. Nice slow speeds, incredible. Regardless of the conditions, you're going to be absolutely comfortable. And you can see the tower is not pitched at an angle. This is flat tower. All right, now come on back. Additional storage, little kid, elderly folks, dog door, whatever you'd like to call it. You've got some extra there. Now we've got our Fusion stereo controls here, as well as some additional charging ports. And this sun pad is amazing. This is going to be comfortable for as many people at the sandbar as you can possibly fit on it, at least 3, but lots of fun. And easy access to your cooler in the back. So you don't have to go in the boat to get anything. You can keep some nice cold ones right there for you. Now in here we've got huge storage again. Dual battery shut-off switch. Your freshwater wash down. It's going to be a 14-gallon tank. And last, number 3 favorite feature is our submersible swim platform. Makes it really easy to get back into the boat once you've been in the water all day. Again, my name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. This has been the 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX. Thank you.